Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of tasks with no lifeboat in sight? Picture this. It's yet another manic Monday. Your desk is piled high with papers, your inbox is overflowing, and the clock is ticking. You're scrambling to catch up as the sense of time slipping away grips you. This is the reality for many of us, day in and day out. The gnawing feeling of having too much to do and not enough time to do it can be all too overwhelming. The culprit? Lack of prioritization. We often fall into the trap of procrastination, busying ourselves with trivial tasks while the big important ones loom in the background. We believe we're being productive, but in reality, we are merely keeping ourselves busy. The result? Missed deadlines, stress, and a constant feeling of being behind the eight ball. But what if I told you there's a lifeboat, a way to navigate this sea of tasks without feeling overwhelmed? Imagine a world where you're in control, where tasks don't control you. Doesn't that sound appealing? This is where the power of task prioritization comes into play. Task prioritization is essentially about categorizing your tasks based on their urgency and importance. It's a simple, yet effective method that can transform your productivity levels. Consider this. You have a list of tasks. Some of them are urgent, others are important, and quite a few are neither. By prioritizing, you can focus your energy on what truly matters, instead of getting overwhelmed by a mountain of tasks. Imagine you're a writer with a deadline looming for your next novel, but you also have a pile of laundry staring at you. In this situation, writing is both urgent and important, while laundry, although necessary, can wait. By comprehending the power of prioritization, we can navigate through the chaos, regain control, and truly make our time count. So, how do you start prioritizing your tasks effectively? The power to change your life lies in your hands, or rather, in your choices. Picture this. You're standing in front of a mountain of tasks, but you're not overwhelmed. Instead, you're calm, collected, and ready to conquer. How? By prioritizing effectively. Start by making a list of all your tasks. Next, rank them based on their urgency and importance. Urgent tasks are those that require immediate attention, while important tasks are those that contribute to your long-term goals. Then tackle the tasks that are both urgent and important first. Follow this up with the tasks that are important but not urgent. Finally, address the tasks that are urgent but not important. The tasks that are neither urgent nor important should be your last priority or even eliminated. By doing this, you'll find yourself less stressed, more productive, and with a greater sense of control over your life. What's one task you've been putting off that you're going to prioritize now? Share it in the comments below. And remember, if this video has helped you today, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Holistic Growth on the Go for more insights on personal development, growth, and life balance.